Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by adding one tab and pinning it so the icon stays visible. Click the extension and choose Add to Chrome. Once added, pin to the toolbar. Open the tab-heavy window you want to manage. You don't need to close tabs yet. Make sure Chrome Sync is active if you want the one tab list on other devices, and note the optional keyboard shortcut you can set in extension settings to speed things up. Once done, click the One Tab icon or press the keyboard shortcut to send the current Windows tabs into the One Tab list. This frees memory immediately. You can then drag to reorder entries and click a group title to rename it, which helps later. If you need a tab back, restore individually or restore the entire group. You can also star or lock items for quick access and to prevent accidental deletion, so make those choices now as you organize. To finish, export your one tab list to a text file or import it elsewhere if you need a backup. This protects against accidental loss. Restore tabs selectively when you need them, and use Restore All only when you're ready to reopen everything. If something goes wrong, for example tabs don't reopen, re-enable the extension, relaunch Chrome, and retry the restore. If that fails, check for Chrome updates or extension conflicts. One quick update often resolves most restore issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.